there's not so much you can do online. In less than 24 hours and you would start making money. But in this video, I'm going to show you one, and that thing is transcription. Now, there are two ways in which you can make money from being a transcriber. One is as a freelancer, and the second one is by getting a full-time job. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can either work as a transcriber, get a full-time job, or work as a freelancer. And hold up, just in case you think you do not have any experience, I'm also going to be showing you where you can get training in less than 24 hours, right? And you are a licensed practitioner of transcription, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you that, but I need you to watch this video up until the end. And if this is your first time here, please do very well to hit on the subscribe button. So the two skills that you need to become a transcriber is your listening skill and your typing skill. That's because as a transcriber, you're going to be given audios for you to transcribe. And all you have to do to audio is listen. You cannot watch an audio. You can only listen to an audio, pick the words that is said and type it. The second skill you would need, of course, is typing skill, which means you have to type faster, because the faster you transcribe, the faster you can type, the faster you can transcribe. And the faster you can transcribe, the more work you can get done. And more work you can get done would reflect more earnings for you. So what I want you to do for the first thing, which is listening skill, is come on your Chrome browser, right, and type free online IELTS practice test. It's going to bring you here. So you want to come here and click on this British Council Take IELTS free online IELTS practice sample test. That's what you want to click on. So you said practice test. In this section, it said this page provides you with various IELTS practice tests and materials to help you enhance your timing and technique before taking the official IELTS test. Now, of course, this is enhancing your IELTS skill capability, but of course, the skill is what you need for practicing as a transcriber. So there are various courses here. There's free online listening practice, free online IELTS reading practice. So what you want to do is a listening practice, because basically what you're trying to achieve is listening. So you see IELTS practice listening, there's part 1, there's part 2, there's part 3, there's part 4. So basically whatever it is you want, you just click on it and it takes you there. The second thing I want to show you is typing test. Now this is typingtest.com. typingtest.com. So basically what you are going to learn here is how to type. You can choose a 30-second test, a 1-minute test, a 2-minute test, whatever. So I'm just going to come here and click on start test. So it's going, of course, it's going to take some time to load, but for a few minutes it's going to load, and you just keep typing and learning how to type faster. The more you practice, the better you get. And I say you can do this in 24 hours. So it's open. So see what I have to type. One common misconception we hear is, you see, that was fast, right? You should wait an hour after you go to the next page. So that's just how you do it. You just keep repeating and repeating and repeating this test. Now I promised you I was going to show you a couple of websites where you can get jobs as an IELTS, as a transcriber. Now on the first website, if you want to get a full-time job, is 3playmedia.com. Now 3playmedia is basically focused on transcribing and all that. So what you want to do is to come to the bottom of this page here. It says transcriptionist job. You want to click on that and it's going to redirect you to the page. So you see apply to become a contractor at 3playmedia. 3playmedia contractors earn weekly paycheck working remotely from home, providing captioning and transcripts. So it says apply to transcribe in English. Required qualification: excellent writing, communication skill, excellent command of English grammar and punctuation, proficiency with internet research and reference resource, ability to manage project, work independently and closely follow instruction. Must be at least 18 years of age. Now this can be done from anywhere in the world. The next website I want to show you is gotranscript.com. So you see gotranscript.com, it says clearly here 100% human generated services, transcription from $0.8 per minute to automated transcript $0.20 per minute. So how you would apply for this job is to go also to the footer of this page, and you will see work, and then you would register and you get to go. Some of these websites of course have some restriction, but that's why I'm showing you a couple of websites so you can just choose from which you want. So it says transcription jobs available worldwide. The next is scribby.com. It said human verified transcript of your YouTube videos, blah blah blah. So you want to come here and click on sign in, and voila, you're good to go. The last website I want to show you, or rather the second to the last website I want to show you, is rev.com. Fast, accurate transcription services. Get your audio and video files transcribed by the largest marketplace of experienced transcribers, guaranteed. So all you have to do here is also go down to the footer of the page to register. I'm trying to rush this so we don't spend too much time on this video. Now the next on the list is waywithwhatjobs.com. Work when and where you want. We are looking for highly proficient English first language speakers from the following countries and regions: South Africa, United Kingdom, countries in the European Union, United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. So basically, who is Way with What? Basically, this is what they are. They represent. So you can just go through it and pick which works for you. So basically, this is what you need. Another place you can actually get transcription job, but this is on freelance. This is on a freelance basis, is Fiverr.com. When you come to Fiverr.com, you see a lot of people transcribing on Fiverr.com. So all you want to do is to create a gig. Another place you can get a job is Upwork.com. So you want to go to Upwork. I want to believe that you should by now, if you're trying to make money online, you understand how Upwork.com works. So you create an account here, fill in your gig, and boom, you are good to go, right? You are good to go and set to go. If you enjoyed this video and felt like I gave you value for your time, please do very well to hit on the subscribe button. If this is your first time, you're a returning subscriber, please hit on the notification button so that every time I drop a video, you'll be among the very first to get notified. Thank you.